Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Take this life, cha-cha. Make you know the rush, make you know the fear. Cause when you fall, you rise again. Mentally, you're moving, almost there, I'm in feet, one pause in life. It's all about
You're welcome
Thank
to the journey.
you. Thank you.
Enuanom, yedamase se abribia moji mmere ene da etna se ehwedwumadi a etse eye de journey. Nyame enhiramo ye beda aboafo amaso ya sen na debia ye de dwumadi fefe sei ebrew ewofie meda minalen touch ase se otwimeni ma me look this beautiful Afrina mother divas trend ase se wo mama look this classy and beautiful na wie no na wo so a wotifie ye de asida piesi amount cause uni ho a the journey any ho and me guest no eye strong kokra na enede me guest ever introducing her to the journey.
Meeting the PM of the Assassin 3 winner, that is 2019. Yeah.
PM. Obetimi actually the journey full meaning of PM.
No, okay. PM, yeah, precious mentor.
You have a beautiful name. And see oko diasano na e was so be initials. Te also mo picky P no. No ma befa M no. Na it is a code way for diasa.
Oh, okay. Initially, Nankasa PM, no, I've used for a long time.
Oh, tell me about it.
Yeah, and I me joining pageants, that was Mix Excel Plus. That was 2013.
Okay.
Yeah, na Miss Louisa, CEO, no, na awarding times.
Okay.
And you know, I just say you picky initials, so it didn't, but they picky. So I've used that name for a long time. For a long time, people know me say PM.
PM.
Yeah.
Yes, starting in free and crab brim. Said yeah, oh yeah, we need to do the whole journey about PM. Or because the PM or free here or your wine. Can you brief the journey? Bibi kakra about PM.
Oh, okay. PM. My papa is Fantini and I'm mommy free Bono.
Bono hefa.
Achintia.
It's where you make room.
Achi school. So, because school I don't think senior high school.
Okay. Now I don't think no cry e wo he.
Kofodia. Yeah.
Okay. Inti yanto aso pese me hu PM.
Inti me busia forte Yellow House Cage that is Central Hill.
Okay.
And me from a family of 4.
Okay.
When I'm year second born.
Oh.
Yeah, me were you did make you investing and your last born no assets.
Oh, assets.
Yeah.
The time you were growing up, na also ana say na otie.
I could say it's a very genetics because the side of my dad, that is Mitiwa, anti-crabber, or a tiny bit of a tick. So, like, or a tick boy, Nimuwa. Yeah, she's still alive though. Yeah.
Okay.
To meet me, like I said, from the side of mine.
But also, I when you now call secondary school, now on so.
Oh, me call secondary school. Hey, what me?
Oh, me
okay. Me ya kolani die. Na me shodan so. Ba edu kakra kono na fi me boba se banche no na me na me boba into na call remember say me call says na obia or inside me sure was no try and see compound this one na de obia me try taxi ni ho na fi dey me rare cry home but it was a lovely experience though.
Opa sapa me pese me who say was it part of you from childhood and I say unyi no and I who say e was say wusuasa
me pass like maybe better say anymore bono I feel like you know sometimes Omo me slim so almost am who so musi see. It's now say also feel, you know, sometimes the way omo movie a string your body, you know, and so be a slim meeting me why no, but it's been part of me since in collaborating because baby I need to know if you're not near to know not incline no more passer incline like a gun for fee you know I just say obi a year part in your idea oh yes so I picked it up from yeah
and see only difficulties being our firm as a young lady with a plus size first also when I'm crying her won't pay because I'm the almost feel bologna that kind of thing but because of dear son and Munina will be also feel proud it's will be a professor I can say because you want to you know that kind of feeling no and see only no how was the treatment like answer or the whole DSR, let's put that aside. You growing up with a plus size now, how was the feeling?
And yeah, easy because sometimes you're plus size. At other side, you know, they'll say the body is a blessing, and sometimes people will either say it's a curse because and yeah, baby, and people will accept you.
Yeah.
You know, if let's put it in this whole world, people have making it look like say plus size, no, you're free different space nearby.
Wow.
And it's our body shaming and ridicule no it's been there for a long time but I said na my phone and saying I say ni bia bana you try say you bet me e twitwa sa man so because I quite remember say me then times be pa wo fa church won kiteska won timi fa
because I was with you about 3 seats.
Oh my god
Eka
eja unya stop here na me see megina mejanshi suda
obi anfa
so me mom around me know say I've been praying to God say Nyankopon mama nyaka and mama enjoy that level because guess a time you feel so bad about yourself you feel like say as a one canny pound because do baby people don't want to accept you but you ask yourself say why is that person like oh nyema bia a bro so saying one the last time na me kotema and I me kofa kawala pass see Jamie man sisi misika o me say because me work as a ministry 2 seats I no go pay because me need man budget for that that's how that me ho chire me pa ye fa ka ye mate said that me kwa na me say my ye me ho my mom me ho say like one thing is that one thing is say so you're plus size so because also one person accept you because sometimes you feel yourself so you're a slim person you feel like oh you're too cute you're too small
intimidated so because also
sometimes you feel then times and if you feel intimidated number say you don't love yourself now only are confident in yourself
okay
well but if you have those two you don't care because you've become used to
okay yen care because you're plus size sa and now trade yampon a boy yen try your home and koji and krato a wabwa for and cobebia is still the journey. Akwaba yako aba the journey is so afei and what's nasia and me guests a PM of Diasa season 3 fame PM what's it man na hiding
makes na kind me jama sese me way mesika and him say one single seat pen na metna
okay
to me got na say no man say nga banyame adomo and be free front seat papa bi etwa mame and then come man ko be audio ni mesi te kwashi ni man na say be free from there wo ya me den say me ko fatema car was our station ho
onko
me ko ye den no ko serebe.
Oh, sorry.
Because people make we plus argument, we feel too bad.
But you should be now the asaba still that bad.
Assassin, but enya pan. Once society and cause almost should accept plus arguments.
Okay.
Because almost feel say we are too lazy. With them.
Okay.
We soon in fast so. Wow. Here.
Being a plus size now affect your relationship.
Over to me and you be our honor. Also, over to me I catch you say. But who say we so? And yes, we share no nothing why I can see you. No, I feel better up to saying, maybe you're too fat. I want you to chin down. Hey, you want me to chin down saying, I don't know me how I was before I cast open me.
Ain't it a bassa or real?
You
get sad, eh?
You get sad, but I won't say one thing they say. if you want to do something, you have to do it rightly from within. But
Okay.
so being you get a timer. You can't do it again.
You can do it again.
Yeah.
Yeah, say plus size is a bomb.
Right now they say take big rope.
Oh, really?
And it's true.
Okay.
We are pretty. We get a swag. You know, we get everything. You know.
Okay.
The curves.
The whole package.
Yeah, we got everything. So you could say it's a man say cry society in the cry. What to me who say slim for no? They are not safe.
They are buying medicines to be big.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
They didn't say me call ya to a no my omafu.
Ah.
You understand? So they know say
Body.
meat no na real original ish.
Now that what we need, dear sir, what is the next step? PM a DNA share.
Now my project initially was about body shaming on plus size women. So my people, they no, I don't want to go there. That
okay,
deep.
Mate.
So they should expect more.
What inspires you? Say Kudiasa.
We call with Mrs. Mary and then Nikunu Brastami. And so I take big man gives the doors.
Okay.
So you call na no your tonsa. Oh, they are me call na mako supporting no. Nya tonsa no. It's visa san. Yes, I uncle programs ah. Mommy and Monko diasa.
Oh.
It's after now a whole year free mediasa. I'm me diasa. Come be diasa. I'm will be quite my journey free
Because of their son.
or so could diasa. That's I know more your auditions. So you got to ask my son. I said, diasa, dear, say, oh, yeah, then me knew me any cost standing at yes, sir, and blushy of the Tijuana, me farming home. Me man can't check my memory. Now I said, me check your idea be when you see about me share my sardine. God being so good, me do market or corner. Nyakopo I need the other. Jimmy, me drew a corner be most daddy. Gary Abaha. Oh, any mean Stanley. Me call next market. My call register. And I was like, really? Meeting baby dear, I'm me jam, me home, Miss Romo. What's some home, young Miss Romy? But God being so good, you're crowning me first, Domi market.
And come on, no, I day. Yet I saw I would the journey so. Ye try your home agent crats or upwa for. Your bar is still the journey. Ye mo be a qua bar, a sign Eddie the journey so. And then come out no I day. Meaning say plus size be a off ye. A far bapa, a one and come out PM. It's message being out of or fans and loved ones out there.
The only thing I make share my lovely plus size ladies is that be confident, believe in yourself, don't look down on yourself. June say you can do it. A man can intimidate you. And yes, sir, you won't get like intimate with you good.
Okay, so yay! Thank you so much for coming. Yeah, that's the past one bar and yeah, I share your experience and the journey of your life. Yeah, that OPPR it's been amazing. Meaning so what we and no show you I inspire you a lot. Now you because at the above form so you're saying na abribia yetimi edit the journey April e would you my dear so nyame ensure mo se monya ye mu gidie na ena mo so ama afoforo enya nkranhye na ehu se the journey is never easy. Yeta mo ase me a metsena djuma dia me di mo chiame me ding any Abena Ghana and I do share my time. Look at this beautiful is Diva's trend and I do treatment him a minalin touch. Assemble kopena debia me catcho. Missing yami woma ebeye dasene yinshia e what the journey so with us.
Take this life, cha-cha. Make you know the rush, make you know the fear, cause when you